Hello, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Ashley. I work here at the Orion Township Library. I'm going to tell you a little bit about some of the things we do during our parent-child workshop that encourage learning through play. So our parent-child workshop is usually held in person, but that is on hiatus right now. So these videos are coming to you in your own home to show you exactly what you do and what we do and why we do it for the workshop. So today I'm going to talk about puzzles and manipulatives and how they can encourage learning through play. So with puzzles, it's pretty simple. Everybody knows puzzles encourage fine motor skills, and they also encourage matching and sorting. So kids dump puzzles, kids mix them all up, and then they have to find the matcher. So with this puzzle, this is for, I would say, littler kids. This is for the younger crowd because with this one, you don't have to match shapes so much. You're kind of just matching pictures because the picture is there behind it. So they would, pick it up and match it with the picture on the puzzle. So that's perfect, great fine motor skills picking these up. And they work together to create this puzzle. Cool. And then for this one, same thing, they're going to dump it all out probably, and then you have to find a match. So this one is a little bit different because on the sides here, they don't have the picture behind it, so they're going to have to work on using their hand-eye coordination to match the shapes, the open shapes, to the shape of the puzzle pieces. Except for in the middle, you have her dress there. It's a different picture, so you really have to work on matching the shapes together. So this is a fun puzzle. Same thing with even puzzles with bigger kids, that floor puzzles, those are fun too. So they're learning hand-eye coordination, like I said, fine motor skills, and kind of sorting and matching and how things fit together. So puzzles are a great manipulative. I have a couple more here. These are pretty fun. You can find these just about anywhere. They are pretty popular, but these are sorting, kind of transportation. So these come in different colors, and the fun thing with these is you can learn matching, sorting, sequences, and color. So I put these in a fun sequence: blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red. What you would do is you would put a new other pile out beyond this and have your child match blue, yellow, red. As you can see, you can also go beyond that and match shapes as well, but the first level of matching for this one is matching those colors. So that's another fun way you can work with manipulatives. I also have in front of me a big road map. I'm sure you've seen one of these. Maybe you even have one at home. This is a nice community one. So you can take your cars and your child can move them around. So of course they're working on fine motor skills with that, and they're also working on life skills, because what do you see on this map? You see community places that you would go to. There's a school up here. There's a stop sign. These are things that kids eventually need to learn to gather life skills to have fun and grow up. So, like I said, recognizing stop signs, recognizing parking lots, recognizing school, and that's a place where you would go to learn. So yeah, this is a pretty fun thing where you can work manipulatives and learn at the same time. Another one I have here are these fun shapes. These fit together in any way possible, so this is a nice exploratory activity because there's no end goal. They can create whichever shapes they want and move them around. A good tip here is if you don't have these at home, you can create something very similar with just a cardboard box. So you cut out shapes in cardboard, you cut a slit on each side. You and your child can do some art exploration and paint together, paint your cardboard shapes, and then they can go to town fitting them together in any space, shape, or whatever that they want to. Great fine motor skills, great matching skills, great color recognition too as well. So that's pretty fun. Last but not least today, I do have a couple more manipulatives that teach life skills. So I have a button board, a zipper board, and a snap board. Of course, you don't need these boards. You are more than welcome to have them, but you can get a shirt with buttons, a winter coat with a zipper, and your dad's or mom's shirt, a flannel shirt with buttons over here. So, what's the first thing we're going to work on? Snapping. Snapping's great fine motor skills and a life skill. Learn how to get dressed. Same thing with zippers. You gotta really get to the fine motor down there to get that zip together, and then you can practice zipping up and down. There you go. Zipper. And last but not least, this one's probably the trickiest, are buttons. So teaching children how to put buttons together and get dressed really gets into the nitty-gritty of fine motor skills with your hands, and of course that helps with reading and writing. Cool. So these are just some ideas and some of the areas that we have during our parent-child workshop to encourage learning through playing. I hope to see you soon when we can hold our next in-person parent-child workshop. Bye-bye.